What's up, everybody? I'm going to do a review over the trades that I took today and basically what ICT was pointing towards the entire day, and really how beautiful these concepts work. So let's go over firstly what ICT was pointing towards from the beginning of the day. He tweeted about the Sunday gap opening, and then on his live stream he was also pointing towards this, kind of giving you a direction, not necessarily a signal, but telling you to look at this area and see if the model forms, right? So if ICT is talking about a certain PD array or area of interest, you should be looking at that area and seeing if the model forms in that area. He doesn't have to be there to point exactly where to enter, okay? He's giving you the knowledge, and it's super basic, it's super easy. So if we were to go down to a 5-minute, right? Let me make this Sunday gap available to see on the lower time frames. So he was actually on the live stream when this hit, and I think he logged off right around 9:10 a.m. Central Time, so that may be different for you. What I was looking for and seeing was the Sunday gap was a magnet for price. It filled in basically to 50%. It took out sell stops in the process of that, right? So that's number one, what we're looking for in the model, is you're looking for these sell stops to be taken out, okay? I don't have it on this chart, but on my other chart, let me actually just pop over there real quick. This was 7:30, so again, this may be a different time for you, but it's 7:30 for me, and then this is midnight over here. Okay, so these opening prices, you want price, if you're looking to buy, is you want price to be beneath it, right? That makes sense. It's in a discount getting pushed back into a premium. Okay, so when I was looking at this, we were beneath both opening prices. We took out sell stops, we ran into the Sunday gap opening, and that was enough for me to put on a 1% risk down here. Okay, so I went ahead, and this is a live account, I went ahead and put some risk down here. Now that is not the model, but for me, I'm okay taking a high risk setup like that, especially if I know the direction and I know what I'm looking for. We had some equal highs here, right? So that's our draw on liquidity. If you look on lower time frames, price displaced higher, broke structure, and then if we look on the 5-minute, there's a small little fair value gap here. Okay, so this happened at, again, 9:25 a.m. my time. And most people get scared when they see price do this, but you have to be confident, and it's just back testing and seeing, you know, how price really reacts. But price dipped down in this fair value gap. I went ahead and bought, so 39.2450, which was right here. Okay, so I placed my stop underneath. I usually only do a 1% risk, and I was targeting, sorry, this is backwards. I was targeting the buy side liquidity. I know it's backwards, but you get the point. And then I offloaded here, right? Just because I was content with that. That was about 25-30 points. And for me, that's okay. That's all I wanted out of the AM session. I didn't know, because it was a Monday, if we were going to get some more acceleration like this. I didn't know that. I did expect price to probably take out these highs as well. But again, it's all based on your personality. Whether you like to hold or whether you just like to be in and out, and what's your profit target. For me, I'm completely content and okay with this. I'm not mad that I missed this. Again, it was still beautiful PA. If you look on the 15-minute, this could have been an entry for you as well. Price took out this high, but we still didn't take out these relative equal highs, and we had this 15-minute fair value gap. So off the backbone and the context of this price swing, we're inside of a discount, right? So beneath 50%, dug into the fair value gap, and then expanded higher. Now during the PM session, right after lunch, so my lunch is 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Again, that may be different for you, so just please check your times. So I saw price dipping into this fair value gap here, okay, and I wanted to see how the bodies closed. So after this closed, I was interested. I'll show you on a 2-minute time frame. It was a market maker buy model. Okay, so price was dipping back down into a discount. So from this swing low to that swing high, we were beneath 50%, and I believe we hit OTE, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, so we hit 71%. Especially if you're bullish, you're looking for price to dip into discounts and then aggressively reprice higher into the buy side liquidity that was resting above here. Okay, and you know, with ICT's concepts during the PM session, the algorithm likes to reprice aggressive fast. So when I was looking at this on a 2-minute time frame, I was looking again this 30-minute fair value gap. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And price dipping into a discount relative from this dealing range low to the dealing range high. Right? So that gives me a good amount of confluence to go ahead and get into the market. Now I'm looking for price to reprice higher. If you look at this entire model or fractal, what is it? It's a market maker buy model. Okay, so you have your original consolidation, accumulation, reaccumulation, and then your smart money reversal. Okay, so I went ahead and entered off the context and backbone of all the things I just said. I went ahead and entered in here. Okay, so for one contract, 39.54, and I placed my stop underneath this swing low here, because the price broke beneath that swing low, then I know my trade was invalid. Okay, and I was going ahead and targeting these relative equal highs, the original consolidation. You can see price just expanded and displaced higher, and then finally took out the buy side liquidity. Ended up closing out at, what is it, 39.72, which is right here, which I believe, where was this at, 39.54, 39.22, almost 20 points. So I was able to capture 20 points here and then 20 points here as well, which ended up being a 4% day on my live account. I'm quite happy with that result. And you guys can just see how all these concepts blend together and how you can use them. I mean, none of this is fake or nonsense from ICT. You can see the proof is in the pudding. And even today, him just live streaming and telling you where price could go. Most of people complain because he's not giving you an entry, but in reality, he's really telling you where the market's going to go. You just have to go in and apply your model, apply the rules and criteria for your trade, and it should just fall into place. Okay, so I hope to do more videos. I know I haven't uploaded in a few months, but I will definitely be getting into the swing of things here soon. Appreciate you guys watching.